Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maz and today I'm going to be showing you how I've organized my fridge. So as you can see right now, it looks very normal, no order, everything is just put wherever it can fit. It's not clean. Food is just put wherever and most likely off as well. But today I'm just going to take everything out, start from scratch and have some organization to this, and I'll show you how. I hope you enjoy it. So firstly, I'm going to go ahead and remove everything out of the fridge until it's completely empty and I'm starting from scratch. As you can see, there is no order really to this fridge right now. I've tried to keep some items together like the soft drinks or the yogurt, but everything just ends up being jumbled up because there is no home for anything. The only thing that stays together are the vegetables. Nice and dirty. So step 2 is to wash all the shelves and all the drawers, or at least as many as you can pull out. There were a couple that I just couldn't get unstuck, so I left them in and I just sprayed them after and wiped them instead. But even if you feel like it's going to take too long and you can't be bothered doing it, I highly recommend doing it because it was crazy to see how much stuff actually got built up, even on the shelves that didn't look dirty, or these little tubs on the side. They all look so sparkly clean now. It's really nice actually. So take the time, wash everything, dry everything, and then you can pop it back in. Step 3, clean inside the fridge. So I've sprayed it with 2 sprays. One was an antibacterial spray and the other one was just an oil-based spray to really get those stubborn marks out. And then I just had some soapy water on the bottom as well that I was cleaning with the sponge. This part was great because you could really see how clean the fridge was, and when I finished I just put the clean tubs back in. This is a chance for you to also jumble with some of the positioning of the shelves, so as you can see, you can put them on all sorts of different heights, so just play around and see what suits your needs. Step 4. Wash any new containers you may have purchased. I purchased these green savers online and so far they've been really great. So I've only bought 2 in 2 different sizes just to see whether I use them and if I like the bigger size or the smaller size. I'm just thinking if I have the smaller sizes, will I only put one certain vegetable in there, or am I going to put several vegetables in the big one? And yeah, it will just be good to see how I use them first before I go purchasing more. Step 5. Go ahead and fill your containers. Here I am using the green saver to put in a few vegetables that I had, and this lid also shows that you can dial it back to put whether you've got vegetables or fruit in there and just adjust it accordingly. Step number 6, place everything back into the fridge. So this time I was a bit intentional with where I placed my items. So I would group things together where I could. I tried to put my spreads together, put my butters together, put my savory spreads together, just so that when you're searching for things, you know where to go. Step 7, rearrange the fridge. So turns out where the soft drink cans are, the container was actually too long for the top shelf and my door didn't close. So I've just had to jumble things around. Now, one thing that I did change after I finished filming this is that I found that I had a few items that were just loose. You can see now that it's just a little container that has your bits and pieces in it, which at least keeps things neat and clean. And the end result, woohoo, we're done. This was a long process, but I'm really happy I did it. We've had the fridge for 4 years now. We've been at this house and I've never really given it a deep clean. Yes, I've shuffled things here and there, I've wiped the shelves down, but I've never actually pulled everything apart and washed it item by item. So I highly recommend you do that. But that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. I really enjoyed filming it. If you've got any questions, please let me know. And if you'd like to subscribe, please do so. Please hit like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.